Last year on my birthday, I didn't feel very well waking up that morning. I went downstairs for breakfast hoping my wife would be pleasant and say happy birthday and possibly have a small present for me. As it turned out, she barely said good morning, let alone happy birthday. I thought, well, that's marriage for you, but the kids, they will remember. My kids came bouncing down the stairs to breakfast and didn't say a word, so when I left for the office I felt pretty low and somewhat despondent. As I walked into my office, my boss Rachel said good morning, and by the way, happy birthday. I felt a little better that at least someone had remembered. I worked until 1 o'clock when Rachel knocked my door and said, you know, it's such a beautiful day outside and it is your birthday. What do you say we go out for lunch, just you and me? I said, thanks Rachel, that's the greatest thing I've heard all day. Let's go. We went to lunch, but we didn't go where we normally go. She chose a quiet bistro with a private table. We had 2 martinis and I enjoyed the meal tremendously. On the way back to the office, Rachel said, you know, it's such a beautiful day. We don't need to go straight back to the office, do we? I responded, I guess not. What do you have in mind? She said, let's drop by my place. It's just around the corner. After arriving at the house, Rachel turned to me and said, if you don't mind, I'm going to step into the bedroom just for a moment. I'll be right back. I said, okay, nervously. She went into the bedroom, and after a couple of minutes, she came out carrying a huge birthday cake, followed by my wife, my kids, and dozens of my friends and co-workers, all singing happy birthday. And I just sat there, on the couch, naked.